Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1970 Cord. I got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Not too bad.
Good. Tell us about your Cord. Very unique.
It's one of my prized possessions.
Sure, I can see why.
It's Ford powered.
Okay, so a 390 in there?
No,
302?
I think it's a 289.
289?
Yeah, I think
all right.
289. I just had it taken out and completely rebuilt.
Great.
Along with everything else.
Sure, there's not, like no miles on the motor?
There's
really
very
nothing?
little miles.
Okay.
But it's the old motor
Mm-hmm.
without the zinc protection.
Okay.
And it was starting to make funny noises, and I said, let me rip it out. So
Sure.
I pulled it out,
Freshened it up?
sent it out, had it all freshened up,
Okay.
and put it back in.
Great.
It
Power
rides like a
steering.
dream.
Okay.
It's a fun car to own.
Definitely catches a lot of
It's
looks.
a small little jump seat in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Not much room, but enough room for a good-sized dog
Kid.
or a mother-in-law sitting sideways.
That's a good spot for her, right?
Yeah.
Sitting on Cragars. Power steering, power brakes, air?
Steering, yes.
Yeah, power steering.
Brakes, yes.
Okay.
Air works, blows cold, blows ice cold. I had that
good.
done last year.
Great.
The old compressor.
Power windows, custom stereo.
Power windows, stereo, see the old CD player.
Yeah.
Just a good running car.
It is. Good looking, too.
And it's more than just a Sunday driver to go get ice cream. It can really haul. I've taken it on trips to Connecticut and
Okay.
away at Montauk.
Oh, wow. So you've put some good miles on.
Oh yeah, it runs.
Drive it all
super.
over the place.
It's no problem at all. I fell in love with it because of the way it looked.
Oh, sure.
You know, I've got a Thunderbird and I got a Cobra. And this
Yeah.
kind of added to the fleet.
Yeah, Duesenberg, right?
Yeah.
Or Doozy. Cool. So we're going to walk around it and check it out a little bit. He is 80 years old. So he's on a walker right now, so he can't really get around too much. There it is, 289, completely freshened up. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, blows cold. It's got a great look to it. Sitting on Cragars with radials. Nice big wide whites. Beautiful condition. Very unique. You can drive this car anywhere. Matching spare under there. Dual exhaust with Monza tips. The paint, the chrome, stainless is in beautiful shape. I really like the suicide doors. Very unique. Power windows. It's got a Ford key, you can see that. Doors open up suicide. Very cool. Very nice fitment of all the panels. Beautiful interior. Wood steering wheel. Really matches everything very nicely. Wood dash, or simulated wood. Got a nice sound to it. Oh, brand new exhaust. The top is cloth. It's like a Carson top. Very well made with a glass back window. It's got the correct seat belts in here. You can see the Mustang influence throughout this car. The shifter. It's got Thunderbird power window switches, which I noticed right away. It's pretty cool. Showing 25,468 miles. He drives this car. Pretty neat. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our main website. So webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.